came all this way to see you.
Hi, good morning. So my name is Alpha, and here is my friend Bravo. Bravo and Alpha, we are together here today to discuss few frequently asked questions. So we invite you come and join our question and answer sessions. Here it is. We'll start our question and answers. Hello, sir. If you don't mind, if I can ask you few simple questions because I'm planning to travel to London next month. I am having few doubts and need to clear. Would you please, if you don't mind, help me and just explain me what all details I require and what I need and what I have to do to fulfill all the formalities. I will be very thankful for your help. Mr. Bravo, I am very glad if I am being helpful for you. So you can go and ask the questions. I am ready to reply to the best of my knowledge. I am having few doubts and need to clear. Would you please, if you don't mind, help me and just explain me what all details I require and what I need and what I have to do to fulfill all the formalities. I will be very thankful. Very interesting questions. First and foremost, you have to have valid travel documents. In the travel documents, it include passport, which is minimum validity for 6 months, and valid visa type. Visa type includes like student visa, tourist visa, business visa, work visa, student visa, and etc. So you have to carry the valid visa type. And third things is that you have to have hotel bookings in your destination country and sufficient amount of balance that you require at the place for expenses. And third most important things, you have to remember that you have to fill one online form 48 hours before travels. The confirmations and approvals will come to your mailbox. You have to give the details of your contact numbers and address, place you are going to stay, and all the itineraries where you are going to travel, like coast number, you are traveling by train and bus and route, and if you're traveling any international destinations. The forms you have to fill online and get it submitted at arrival, which is checked by the border security forces in London. Mr. Bravo, I am talking about the online form. I'm just giving the example, just like all Indian nationals who are coming back to India, they are required to fill one online self-declaration form. Just like same, the government of England has made it mandatory for each and every individual who required to fill the online form having all the correct detail of informations like the contact details, address you are going to stay, and all places you are going to travel, that is itineraries details you have to provide, like if you're traveling any train number, and any coach or buses bus numbers, all details you have to provide in advance, so that during the course of your stay in 14 days self quarantine days, so that they can track you down or find out in case if you're having any symptom of COVID-19 or suffering from COVID-19 related case. So this is the speciality and importance of the form, which is very important on the part of traveling to London. Hope this one is clear to you, Mr. Bravo. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable answers and informations. And my second question is that how many luggage I will be allowed to carry? Would you please check and help me? And I will be very much thankful. Mr. Brewer, you also asked one most very important questions. I would like to tell you that each and every airline has its own pre-baggage allowance policy, and in your case, I have to check your tickets because normally the baggage allowance is written on the back side of your tickets or on your ticket. So, in your case, as per the baggage acceptance policy, the allowance of the baggage will be as per ticketed mention. So, in addition, one handbag having 7 kg weight or one laptop bag is allowed as a free hand luggage. So, depending upon the airlines and policies, the baggage allowances depend. So, you have to check it with your airline. So thank you so much for your valuable informations and all the queries we have cleared my doubt now. So finals, I want to ask you, please just help me to know what is the best time and what is the time for reporting at counters. So I will be able to come and report at the airport on time. Please check and help me. Well, Mr. Variable, as you have asked, what is the best time to report at counters? I must tell you that the best time to report at counter is 3 hours before which is written at your boarding pass. The best time to report is 3 hours before the departures, keeping in mind the traffic conditions and situations depending your distance how far from the airport. So counter usually close D minus 40 minutes from departure, that is 40 minutes before flight departure. So you have to just plan yourself to reach the airport on time so that you do not miss the flight. So best of luck, Mr. Bravo. Hope you have got all my answers.